6 minus 3 equals 3. And again here we have 6 minus 3. So 3 times 3 gives us 9. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to go from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. We need to pay attention that here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so first we have to do this parentheses, and after this parentheses, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So after this parentheses, we have to do this multiplication, not this subtraction. Okay, so first this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If you do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parentheses, it is wrong. Okay, so first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 6 minus 3, which gives us 3. So 6 minus 3, then times 3. Now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. Multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So in this step, first we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 3 gives us 9. So 6 minus 9 is just negative 3. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 3.